Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the nitty-gritty of customizing your Slack workspace. First off, let's get into altering your workspace's appearance. You'll find this option under Preferences, then Themes. Here, you can select from a range of preset themes or even create your own. This is crucial as it allows you to set the visual tone of your workspace, which can impact your mood and productivity. Now that we've done that, the next step is customizing your channels. Navigate to the channel you want to customize. Click on the channel name and select Customize Channel. Here, you can change the channel name, purpose, and even upload a custom emoji for it. This helps us because it brings a unique touch to every channel, making it easier for team members to identify them. Next up, we're going to set up custom statuses. Under your profile picture, you'll find Set a Status. You can use preset statuses or express your current work state in your own words. The reason we do this is to keep colleagues informed about our availability or current focus. The fourth step involves setting up Workspace apps. Under Apps, you can search for and integrate a wide variety of apps that can facilitate your team's work process. Slack has an extensive app directory to cater to different needs, from project management to brainstorming. The integration of these apps can streamline your workflow by centralizing all your tools in one place. Lastly, let's customize our notifications. Under Preferences, you'll find Notifications. This allows you to decide when and how you want to be alerted. You can even set up keyword notifications. This is important because it ensures that you never miss anything that matters to you while keeping distractions to a minimum. In conclusion, customizing your Slack workspace is all about making the platform work for you. It's about creating a comfortable, personalized, and efficient environment that caters to your team's needs. And there you have it, a fully customized Slack workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.